This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming security. Enable two-factor authentication and finish KYC so withdrawals and API access work. Once done, transfer funds into the OKEx wallet you plan to trade from because the bot will draw from that balance. Next, open API management, create an API key, give it trading and reading permissions but not withdrawal if you want safety. Then record the key, secret, and passphrase in a secure manager. These steps let the bot connect and act immediately. Now you set the brain of the bot. Pick grid for range markets, DCA for buy-the-dip behavior, or trend following for momentum. Configure trade size and maximum concurrent orders so one position never uses your entire balance. Use stop-loss percentages and take-profit targets to control risk. Once configured, enter your API credentials into the bot, enable test or sandbox mode to simulate live action, and run a backtest across the last 30 to 90 days to validate. When you switch to live, start small and watch performance for the first 12 to 24 hours so you can catch execution errors or unexpected behavior. Make sure the bot logs each trade and compare fills versus expected prices to detect slippage, then tweak take profit, stop loss, or order spacing as necessary. If the bot behaves incorrectly, immediately revoke the API key, create a new one, retest in Sandbox, and only redeploy once logs show correct order placement and cancellation. This prevents repeated live mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.